We're taking our car to the Toyota dealer in North EDSA, Manila for our scheduled periodic maintenance. We had always asked the dealership to maintain our car since the time we purchased here. The reason we chose Toyota vehicle is simply because of its safety features and reliability. True to its reputation, our car has never had any problems over the past 5 years. We had plans to get new car, but because of the COVID pandemic, we hardly used our car. We have only driven about 1,500 kilometers in the past 1 year. So we will keep this car until we get back our normal lives back again. In the Philippines, it is good to be able to own a car, but you have to still deal with the traffic whenever, wherever you're in Manila. Anyways, we called the dealer yesterday afternoon to get the early appointment in the morning. We were only able to get 10:30 a.m. appointment. At least it was good that we called ahead because it seems very busy today. In the past, we stopped by without appointment and was able to get service right away. However, we see a lot more people waiting in the customer lounge today. Even though we came here on time, the service counter staff was unavailable for 1 hour. We realized that the dealer was understaffed. Is this happening because of the quarantine protocol, or is it because most people are just spending their budget to maintain their car so that they can keep it longer? It is very expensive to buy cars in the Philippines, so you might as well make your money worth. After we reviewed our service record, they told us to come back in 1 hour or so. They told us that they can text us when it's ready. So we went to SM North next door to have our lunch. We're very hungry and we had lots of time to think about which restaurant and what to eat. Today, we decided to go on 2 Chinese food restaurants which are both Michelin 1-starred. We decided on having char siu rice plate at Hawker Chan and then eat some dim sum at Tim Ho Wan. You can watch our videos under Michelin to Michelin Lunch. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you soon. Thank you for watching my channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell button.